Thank you, Madam Chair. India welcomes the draft WHO Traditional Medicine Strategy 2025-2034, which builds on the progress of the 2014-2023 strategy to strengthen the safe, effective and evidence-based integration of traditional medicine into health systems. We congratulate the TCI unit for the consultations and look forward to its adoption of the strategy. India remains firmly committed to the goal of health for all and has successfully integrated traditional systems, Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani and Siddha into its public healthcare model, delivering holistic, equitable and affordable healthcare to millions. A testimony to our commitment is the hosting of the WHO Global Traditional Medicine Center in Jamnagar in Gujarat, established through India's collaboration with WHO to advance research, policy and innovation in traditional medicine globally. India reaffirms its strong support for the WHO TM Strategy 2025-2034 and will continue to collaborate with member states to ensure quality, safe and equitable access to traditional medicine as part of universal health coverage. I thank you, Madam.
I thank the delegate of India. I now give the floor to the delegate.